Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and welcome to another episode of Cruise Ship Game Shows. This is episode number 2. Episode number 1 was last week. That was the premiere episode of this weekend series. I think last week we covered the 60s and 70s trivia. This week we're going to cover something a little more in our ballpark, I think. It's going to be 80s trivia. Again, this is a new weekend series. The videos will probably be coming out on Saturdays. The weekday videos will all remain the same kind of programming, Las Vegas, Atlantic City, and cruises. This is just a little fun and games thing we're going to do on Saturdays. And of course, my other channel, Jersey Jeff Eats, those videos currently are coming out on Sunday. So we have the whole week wrapped up. All that being said, how are you at 80s trivia? Well, you're going to find out if you watch this video through to its completion. Make sure you have a pad and pencil in hand so you can write down your answers. And leave a comment below which ones you got right, which ones you didn't guess. Did you find it easy? Which ones were impossible to answer? Just use the comment section and you can leave your own comments. But be honest so we know who does well and who doesn't do well at the end of the video. So you think you know all there is to know about 80s trivia? Well, get ready. Here we go, right after a brief message. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem. It's game time again. We're going to head down to the atrium. I believe today they're doing a trivia game called 1980s Trivia. I love the 80s and I think a lot of you do too. Let's see how we do, how much we know about the 80s in this 80s trivia game down at the atrium. Let's head down there now. What's the name of this movie?
What is the name of this movie?
What's the name of this group?
What's the name of this group? You have to write down your answers, otherwise you're helping other teams.
Can you name the game?
What's the name of this game?
What 80s movie is this?
So which of the movies is this? Name of this group.
Name the group.
What is the name of this group? I also know this one.
Name the movie.
Name the movie.
Name this icon. Name the game.
Name this game. This one. Name the franchise.
In what year did the Washington Redskins, as they were known then, win the Super Bowl championship?
Well, you have from 80 to 89.
Name this iconic group. Okay, so a couple of these are gimmies.
Name this iconic group.
Name the movie.
What is the name of this movie?
Name this 80s legend.
Write down your answers. So what's the name of this 80s legend?
Name this game. Who is this 80s leader? Name this group. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, why not subscribe to the New York channel, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Both really do help the channel out. Thanks guys. Name this movie.
So what is the name for this movie? Write down your answers. Icon.
Who is this 80s icon?
This icon. Okay, so which game is this one?
Name the game.
So what's the name of this game?
Who is this beautiful lady?
So who is this beautiful lady? Name this group.
Last question. Name this group. So how'd you do? Are you ready for the answers? Okay, here we go. By the way, a shout out to John Cassisi, I hope I pronounced that correctly, who left a nice super thanks on another one of my cruise videos. It was the Deck 13 tour of the NCL Gem, the ship we're on right now. Thank you so much for your generous support, John Cassisi. I appreciate it. If you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button underneath the video. I do appreciate your support, guys. Thanks. Okay, so the first answer, Footloose, 1984. Answer number 2, Bon Jovi.
Number 3.
This game is Q*bert, 1982. Number 4, Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Back, and apparently just saying Star Wars didn't count in this game. Number 5, Gloria Estefan and the Miami Sound Machine. Six, Gremlins, 1984. 7 is Slash. His motorcycle, by the way, is inside the Atlantic City Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, right in front of Hard Rock Cafe.
So this one is Slash. Okay. Number 8.
Number 8, Super Mario Brothers.
Okay. Now for number 9.
Number 9, the Washington Redskins won the Super Bowl in 1983. They're now known as the Commanders.
The year was 1983. Okay, now for number 10.
Number 10, Queen, but I didn't have to tell you that, did I?
Can you say it now? What's
Number 11, Look Who's Talking, 1989.
Okay. Number 12.
Number 12, Prince, of course.
Okay. Number 13. What's the name of this game?
Number 13 is Double Dragon, 1987. How many of you got that one?
Okay. Number 14. George Bush.
Number 14, George H.W. Bush.
Next one. What's the name of this group?
Number 15, Dexy's Midnight Runners, 1982. Come on, Eileen.
Okay. Number 16. Karate Kid.
Number 16, The Karate Kid, 1984.
Number 17.
Number 17, Joan Jett.
Okay, next one. What's the name of this game?
Number 18 is Dig Dug, and here's where I run into a little video problem. The video is frozen. I didn't realize it was going to do that until I just about finished editing this video, but I can give you the last two answers. Number 19, The Beautiful Woman, was Madonna, and number 20, the name of the group was Journey. Now, I know some of you got at least a few of these. Like I said, there's a couple gimmies in here, but how many did you get? Leave a comment below. I missed 2 or 3, but I did pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.